Early artificial intelligence began with big dreams and bold promises, but the actual programs produced during those first decades were highly limited. Welcome to the third chapter of our series, exploring the origins of this technology. In this section, we'll examine the volatile and unpredictable journey of artificial intelligence. We will trace this evolution through 5 distinct stages, beginning with the earliest practical applications. Then we'll examine the periods of deep disappointment, followed by the critical shift toward data-driven learning. Finally, we'll cover the recent technological breakthroughs that brought these tools directly into the mainstream. There is a common myth that technology always improves at a smooth, steady pace. The reality of artificial intelligence is different. AI advanced in a volatile pattern of booms and busts. This graph maps AI excitement over time. Instead of a straight upward line, we see a rhythm of rising enthusiasm followed by sharp declines. Look at the 2 crashes labeled AI winter, where funding cratered. Then compare that to the steep climb after 2012. Today's rapid progress is real, but that historical pattern of over-promising is also real. To accurately evaluate modern AI claims, we have to understand exactly what caused those past crashes. By the 1970s and 1980s, AI researchers had a practical idea. If building general human-level intelligence was too hard, maybe a computer could capture the knowledge of one human expert in one narrow field. This diagram shows a logic tree for an expert system. These programs relied on thousands of hand-coded if-then rules gathered from specialists to do specific tasks. But their flaw was fragility. When they encountered an unpredicted situation, the logic chain broke and failed. Twice in AI's history, excitement collapsed into disappointment. These periods are called AI winters. During an AI winter, promises went unmet, funding dried up, and even the phrase artificial intelligence became something researchers avoided. The field suffered 2 major winters, first in the 1970s, and again in the late 1980s and early 1990s. These winters serve as a historical warning label. AI attracts hype that frequently runs ahead of reality. When you hear bold claims about what AI will accomplish next, always demand evidence. AI's comeback did not come from a louder version of the old rule-based idea. It came from a different idea. Stop writing all the rules by hand and let the machine learn patterns from data. This is machine learning. This diagram illustrates 3 ingredients that finally allowed machine learning to work. First, the internet and smartphones generated massive digital data. Second, graphics chips provided fast computing power. Third, researchers developed better algorithms. They had to arrive together to power modern AI. This convergence sparked the modern era timeline, starting in 1997 when IBM's chess computer Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. Deep Blue relied primarily on raw mathematical calculation rather than true pattern learning. But the victory captured public attention and proved the AI field was successfully rebuilding. Around 2012, machine learning became much more powerful. A pattern-finding method called deep learning began breaking records, and the modern AI era truly began. In 2012, a deep learning system entered a major image recognition contest using a large labeled image collection called ImageNet. The real-world impact of that 2012 breakthrough is in the technology you use every day. Deep learning is what allows your phone to search photos for a beach, translate foreign text through your camera, transcribe voice messages, and unlock your screen using facial recognition. By 2016, the timeline reached another milestone. An AI named AlphaGo defeated a world champion at Go, a board game with massive spatial complexity that experts thought machines were years away from mastering. Unlike Deep Blue's chess victory in 1997, AlphaGo did not rely solely on raw calculation. It succeeded by studying millions of past games and playing millions more against itself, actually learning to find surprising new moves that human masters had never considered. Achieving true pattern-based learning over brute force math validated deep learning, triggering a massive industry shift toward this new architecture. The most recent chapter is the one many people have lived through directly. AI stopped only sorting and recognizing things and started creating them. The foundation was laid in 2017 when researchers introduced a new neural network design called the transformer. Transformers excelled at language, making it possible for machines to produce fluent, human-sounding text. In late 2022, that text generation capability reached the public with the launch of ChatGPT. This was the moment generative AI became accessible to everyday people and went mainstream worldwide. From 2023 to today, these generative tools have become multimodal, meaning they process text, images, and audio together. The industry is also evolving toward AI agents, which are systems given a specific goal that can then execute steps on their own. Try this with AI. Pick one milestone from this timeline and ask a chatbot to explain it. Then compare its answer to what you've learned here. Chatbots can say wrong information with total confidence, so fact-checking their claims is a necessary habit. These generative tools represent a significant leap in capability, but their rapid integration into search engines, office software, and classrooms brings back the historical risk of hype outrunning reality. Let's summarize the wave pattern of this chapter. Early expert systems failed to scale, which triggered the funding collapses known as AI winters. The field recovered through machine learning, leading to the deep learning breakthrough and eventually the generative AI tools we use today. For a quick knowledge check, what is an expert system and what was its main weakness? What is an AI winter? And what were the 3 ingredients that finally made modern machine learning work? If you can define expert systems, AI winters, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI, you have the vocabulary to understand the AI roller coaster. The rapid technological progress we've seen since the 2012 deep learning breakthrough is real, but understanding this 70-year history is the only reliable way to separate that real progress from the inevitable overpromising.